Hi. On page 128, we have file 3, letter B, simple present questions. Here we have two examples. Pay attention to the conjugations of the words in blue. Listen and read.
2.14. Do you work in an office?
No, I don't.
Does she work outside?
Yes, she does.
Okay, so here we have a graphic representation with some words in bold, emphasized, so as to recognize the way in which they are used and in the way they are ordered. So, and conjugated. So we use the auxiliary verb do for most of the subjects, but does for he, she, it. Does a man, a girl or woman, or a thing. And the verb goes normal. Then the two possible answers are yes or no. Look at the conjugation. You use do or don't, but if it's a man, a woman, or a thing, you use does. Or doesn't, if it's a man, woman, or a thing. He, she, it doesn't. He, she, it does. So the first bullet point, use do or does with he, she, it to make questions. The structure goes like this: do or does, subject, verb, simple form. Then look at the blue box. Do or does. Do, does. Do and does can be one, the auxiliary verb to make simple present questions. Well, they work as a question words. They indicate a question in the simple present for some subjects. Do you speak English? Does she live here? So here is the auxiliary verb that indicates question in the simple present. Number two, a normal verb. A normal verb. I do my homework in the evening. Do is a verb. It's an action. Hacer. He does housework every day. Here does is an action. Él hace tarea. ¿Qué hacer? I do my homework. Hago mi tarea. Finally, we have the last bullet point. The word order for the simple present questions is auxiliary do, does, subject. These are the examples, and the base form of the verb. Remember that in questions, the verb goes normal. The only difference is that you use does for he, she, it. That is the explanation. Good job. Now let us practice. Let's go to the next page. Page 29, and on page 29 we have 3B. It says, complete the questions with do or does, and you have an example. Do you work with a computer? Stop the video and complete using do or does. Let's check. Now let's go to letter B. Make questions. So you have pairs of conversations, conversation between A and B, and you have an example. She works at night. B. Does she work in the weekend? A. I don't play the guitar. Do you play the piano? Okay. Go ahead. Stop the video and then check your answers. Let's check.